Welcome home to 4019 Brittany Court in Northbrook, Illinois. District 27 in Charlemagne. This 6-bedroom, 4.5 bath home is over 4,900 square feet. It's gonna surprise you. Come on in. The completed renovation in 2014 created this dynamite open space with separate dining rooms and a large island and over 4,900 square feet, plus the basement. Just imagine serving up pancakes as this island, seating for 6, this amazing chef's kitchen, lots of light, perfect workspace, tons of counter and cabinets. In this beautiful family room, we have a gas fireplace, built-ins, opens to a beautiful yard on a cul-de-sac, and it's 1/3 of an acre. Upstairs boasts 5 true bedrooms, a 2nd floor laundry, and the highlight is definitely this private owner's suite with 2 walk-in closets, tall ceilings, a beautiful stylish bathroom, and a double shower and dual sinks. There's so much more to this home to show you, so make a visit today. Enjoy District 27 Charlemagne, this popular neighborhood, fantastic schools and parks. You'll love it, this breathtaking Brittany Beauty.